Hi, I am Jesse Lafreniere. I am 11 years old. I was born November 27th, 2009. I have lived in Val-d'Or for most of my life. I go to Golden Valley School. I have two brothers. My older brother's name is Mael, and my younger brother's name is Aiden. I love to play video games. I play every night with my friends Desmond and Jason, and I have fun. I love my school because of my friends and also my teachers. But the most important thing is my family. I love them with all my heart. You could listen to them. Also, talk to them. Everybody needs someone to talk to. Lastly, don't criticize them for their interests.